Children, after having the knowledge on various types of cell organelles, now we are going to learn level of organization. ठीक है, what do you mean by level of organization? What do you mean by this term organization? Here what it indicates that organization means what is the setup? What is the setup of an setup? What is the setup of the organism? Setup of organism means what is the body level structure. If I tell you an example with an example that whether it is a 1-room house, 2-room house, 3 rooms house, or a bungalow or duplex or an apartment, ठीक है, so if it is 1 room only then we say it some other name. If it is जैसे 2 BHK flats, 3 BHK flats, bungalows, flats, we call it as different according to the organization, according to the setup. Likewise, different organisms are there, different types of organisms are there, living things are there, which have different setup, level of setup. Like some organisms are there which are only made up of cells only. ठीक है, they are made up of cells only, like we all are made up of cells, okay, agreed, but they are only having one cell for digestion, other cell for excretion, one cell for respiration, one cell for circulation, one cell is for nervous system, like this, and this is the whole setup is an organism. So this small organism is there, they are only having cells, but some organisms are there which are having tissue level of organization, means different types of cells are arranged to make one type of tissue. Other type of cells, they group of cells, they do one similar function. What is a tissue? It's a group of cell doing same function. Like this group of cell will do one function. Like here only one cell was doing one function, na? Here group of cells will perform one function, such as this will do the function of digestion. This group of cell will do the function of excretion, like that. Like here only one cell will do the process of digestion. Here one cell will do the process of excretion, but here the group of cells will do the digestion or excretion, like that. But there will be no definite shape. There will be a definite shape, but when we go to the organ level of organization, organ systems, so then we will get a particular type of organ, like group of tissues, different types of tissue. ठीक है, like this will give a particular shape. Do you remember what is this shape? Do you remember what is this? Yes, this is kidney. Suppose this is excretory system. So kidney, it will form an organ of kidney. Kidney is an organ. So here one type of tissue will be there. It is made up of other types of tissues also. It is made up of one type of tissue, the other type of tissue. Here blood vessels are also there. It's a third type of tissue. फिर उसका outer covering is made up of other type of tissue. Inside it is made up of other type of tissue. So ultimately various types of tissues will make one organ. ठीक है, like kidney is there, like heart is also there, heart is there, brain is there, brain is there, brain is also made up of different types of tissues, brain is also made up of different types of tissue, brain, okay. So heart is a tissue, heart is an organ, brain is an organ, kidney is an organ. So these are organ, different organs are there, and these different organs, like we say that these are organs, so these are having a particular shape of the organ. But sometimes what happens, these organs are not very functional kind. They are not that much efficient, like humans and other animals, humans, birds, reptiles, they are having developed organs. These are having developed organs. Organs जो बहुत अच्छे से developed हैं, developed organs. Nice. but very small animals like earthworm, फिर cockroach, earthworm, although they are having organs but they are poorly developed, they are having poorly developed. So इसमें भी although they have organs but they are poorly developed organs, ठीक है. So these all organs together they form organ systems. So various organ systems are present in our body such as circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system. So here in the book also you have got the 10 systems like digestive system, circulatory system, skeletal system, nervous system, endocrine system, respiratory, excretory system, muscular, reproductive, integumentary. So these all systems are formed and they are present in an organism. So this is all about the various levels of organization. What kind of organization we are having? We are having organ system level of organization. We are all made up of these various systems are present in our body. So we are an organism. In cellular level of organization also these systems are present, but these systems are carried by one cell only. Okay. So this is all about the cellular level of organization. Next we will be learning comparison between plant and animal cell. Here it is given already in your book that what is the difference between plant cell and animal cell. Here the cell wall in a plant cell it is present, animal cell absent. Cell membrane present, plastic present, absent. Mitochondria present, nucleus present, vacuoles they are very large and more in number in plant cell. They are small in size and absent in animal cell. This was about the chapter. Okay, now it's a homework for you to draw an animal cell or and a plant cell in your copy. Okay, thank you.